everybody, so today we are in Florence! Alright, so we're starting off the Florence trip with my good buddy Francesco over here from Nemo Academy. Where are we now, Francesco?
We are in a secret garden called Boboli. Boboli, in the middle, in the heart of Florence.
Boboli.
Yes.
Gorgeous. And the one and only Loish. Boom! With David Levy, Chaos Dara. Check out the view in Florence, holy smokes. The really cool things about Florence is when you observe the landscape, you can really see the influence from all the paintings. Check this out. You know, when I was a kid, this was the place that my mom wanted me to go the most because of how many key pieces of art history that are here in just this one city. It's remarkable. But of course, I was just a kid at the time, we couldn't really afford it, and couldn't, you know, come out. But years later, now I'm an artist, and now I'm in Florence, and you know what? It actually makes me feel good, not just because seeing all the sights and everything, but it's kind of like, don't worry, Mom, made it anyways, you know. And so I kind of come to Florence not just for the awesome people and the food and everything, and I kind of also come for my mom. Bernini sculpture at age 15. So that was inspiration overload. That was pretty awesome. Tomorrow, it's gonna be the workshop. I think we're ready. It's gonna be great. Wow, what a beautiful town this is. So now we're at the workshop, and it's just about to start. Everybody's checking in right now. So why don't we go inside and check out the theater? Ready right now, doing last minute preparations as people are coming in. It's gonna be exciting. Never seen Kevin O'Brien do a presentation before. Got my notebook ready. Who's Kevin O'Brien, you might ask? Well, he's worked on such things as The Incredibles, Ratatouille, WALL-E. Dude's a beast. He also worked on the next Incredibles 2 coming out. And then we have Loish. Over 1 million followers. This woman is incredible. You know, 1 million followers for good reason too, because her stuff is so appealing. It oozes appeal. And to see her work live was a treat. And then there's Christophe Lautrette. You probably saw him in the Seattle vlog, but he's worked on such things as Kung Fu Panda, The Prince of Egypt, and he was production designer on Croods, which is awesome because that movie looked fantastic. And then Andrea Blasic worked on Oscar nominee, The Dam Keeper, Oscar winner, Brave, and so many more. Seeing this guy sculpt live was really like just watching magic happen. It all happened in like less than 30 minutes. And then Mr. David Levy, Tomorrowland, Prometheus, the next Star Wars movie, the next Avatar movies. Dude is insane. So fast, so amazing, and a great guy. Such an amazing group. I cannot even tell you how just honored I am to have these guys do workshops for Schoolism and share their knowledge and actually be cool with, hang out with the students and everything. That's what it's all about, you know, finding the good people out there and to share what they know.
Yeah, it was really amazing to have you in Florence, and really amazing.
Alberto.
Bobby.
Now the workshops are over, time to eat. Another great reason to go and travel, especially with an awesome group like these guys. Yeah.
It's amazing.
Alright, so the workshops are done, but that doesn't mean that the fun has stopped. We are about to go to Ebby's Latin, which is a bar that we go to after the workshop. And so why don't you follow along? Okay, so that's the Schoolism workshop. Thank you so much, Florence, for a wonderful time. The people here
Subscribe to this channel and then press the notification button so you won't miss out on new videos, tutorials, interviews, and other news/advice for artists. If you like this channel, share it with the artists in your life. Thanks for watching.